Hello everyone. I am the after-sales technical engineer of YULONG. I am currently at a customer site in Guizhou province. This customer ordered our company's 850 pellet machines. Today, I will introduce the installation and use of these devices. This is the pellet production workshop. Its area is about 20,000 square meters. This is a raw material storage workshop. Its area is about 8,000 square meters. The customer's material is sawdust from Demolition materials. Its moisture content is about 16%. First, let's take a look at the equipment. This is the feed port of the equipment. This is the discharge port of the equipment. This shows the operating voltage and current of the device. The pellet surface is smooth. The hardness of the pellet is moderate. That's all for today's on-site customer introduction. Thank you for watching.